Yeah, Mr. B went to my room. PM, and then I woke up at 11, and then Mr. B went to my room.
Oh my God.
And
Mr.
he
B
gave
went
me, no,
the
he just
room.
gave me NyQuil, so I
gave her
can't
something to
sleep. Yeah. Can we talk market?
from Hong Kong.
Kuya, what do you want me to do?
Ay, not listening.
Ay! Ay!
So, there you have it. Hello.
Okay, I'm sorry. What did you ask me to?
So,
This guy?
Ask him.
Ask him what?
oh my God.
Oh my God.
That's down.
Down.
Down,
Can you bring Katie down
Oh,
here?
down here. Okay, very good.
You hearing not good, ha?
My gosh.
Yes, we
Let's
want
go.
to LI. Soon.
What time
We
is
will
it?
go
It's
to
11:25.
Katie's so far.
In Guys, alam niyo ba ginaya na naman ni Mr. B yung kulay ng damit ko today? Put ko ha. Excuse me.
Ako unang nagbihis. Good morning.
Nanggaya siya.
Tapos paglabas niya yung room niya, sabi ko, anong kulay? Nako. Sasabihin ko, anong kulay suot mo? Naka-blue pala siya. I think sinabing,
Couple outfit.
Gaya-gaya siya ng kulay ng damit, guys. Simula pa lang pag-uwi. Dito ka nga, Mr. B, para dumami. Diba, Timo, ginaya niya yung kulay ng damit ko, guys?
FB?
Oh my... Ay, anong ginagawa ni Mama Dong? Hindi maganda. Security! Patawag ng security, please. Pabuhat niyo nga to si Mama Dong. Itapon sa labas.
Kailangan apat magbuhat.
Mahirap tayo magbubuhat dyan.
Mga apat sila.
Ipatapon natin si Mama Dong, guys. Ang ingay niya. O, ilan na lang yung nanonood sa'yo dyan? Guys, lumipat na kayo dito. Iwan nyo na yan si Mama Do. Ang ingay, di ba? Huwag na kayo manood. Parang wala nang maingay dito sa gilid.
Pakita mo yung mga tao na natutulog.
Oo nga, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang ingay niya. Papakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo, Diyos ko. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, nagre-relax yung mga tao. Tapos si Mama Dong, ang ingay. Labasan nyo na siya, guys.
Literal si Mama Dong. Ako pa nang i-istorbo to.
Guys, ang ingay niya. Huwag na kayong umano dyan sa live niya.
Yung friend ko dun sa beach.
Diba? Oo, sunburn na nga ako eh. Iwan nyo na siya. Ang ingay-ingay lang dito eh. Kasi ang daming nagpapahinga oh. Ayan si Chris and si Katie, guys. Naliligo sila. Ako ayoko maligo. Yeah. Ang ganda ng beach. Nandito kami sa Leo Beach.
Yeah. Ito ang beach, sabay-sabay. Ito ang beach, walang sablay.
Ayan si Chris at si Ate Claudine. Si Katie nasa harapan nila, nagsiswimming.
Oo, yan. Swimming sila. Kaya bongga. Diba? Eto na siya. Ay, EG! Oo. Kaya lang...
Yung totoo.
Hindi ko alam din.
Sabihin mo na.
Croissant?
And it's croissant.
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 Chinese pala yan. Croissant.
French.
Ano siya?
Croissant.
Croissant.
So, ang tanga pala natin pag umorder na ito sa Starbucks. Croissant kami ng croissant.
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 Guys, ano pala yun? Croissant.
Croissant. Guys ha. Croissant.
Ang hirap
Daw?
ng cream.
Croissant.
Song?
Yung
Croissant.
guyabano?
Bahala ka. Ayoko na to. Sabi ko sa'yo, pandiregla na lang.
Croissant pala.
Diba?
Oo. Croissant? Ba't ibang style ng croissant?
Hindi kusot. Hindi kusot.
Bilis naman mawala sa yung prinsesa ng Elite.
Ano daw?
Hindi lang ma-pronounce. Ayaw na nila.
Yan lang.
Kusot.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Chinese pala to eh. Croissant.
Di ba nga, croissant? Ewan ko ba dyan?
Croissant.
Croissant. Yung
Gaya-gaya siya ng kulay,
Hindi
guys.
parang ano.
True.
Dance and ilong. Croissant.
Alam mo, dapat mag-order ka naka-chinita ka. Chinese eh.
Hindi, French yun.
African ba yun?
Aray ko,
Pero
Mama
sounds like
Dong.
Chinese.
Ito. Ano ito? Ito?
Diba?
Or ito?
Ay, in fairness, tama daw si Chris.
Tama.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Isa pa, gusto ko na mag-order. Ako,
Mama, what to order?
Ako ikaw na-order dito, mas magaling ka mag-pronounce.
Ay, kaya sa akin,
Ito.
kaya sa
Diba, no?
Oo. Another croissant.
Can I have one croissant?
Alin gusto mo dito?
Tama yung kay Chris. Ha, ha, ha.
Hindi ko alam.
Aliw sa akin.
Sige,
Ito yung-
share lang. Kukurot-kurot lang tayo dun, guys.
Aliw.
Guys,
So, guys, here we have different kinds of croissant.
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 Louisa Robert.
Parang may bara sa
Ganyan gusto
ilong.
ng croissant?
Oo nga, croissant.
Parang may bara sa ilong.
Parang-
Do you want
parang
croissant?
napili-
Parang may bara yung ilong ko, guys.
Arlene Vidal.
Kaya gusto mo ng croissant?
Yeah, they're very,
Gusto
very.
niyo croissant?
Diba, croissant?
Croissant.
Croissant. Would you like to try the croissant?
Maraming salamat.
What kind of croissant is that?
Okay. Diba?
Parang
Would you
pangongulo
like
yan
to
eh.
try croissant?
It's
I would like to try croissant because it's my first time.
Oh, it's your first time to try croissant.
Parang barok na English. Parang
Yes.
English.
Mayor na.
Parang ano?
We will not
Guys.
speak Tagalog.
Yeah. Gusto daw niya ng English only.
Di ba guys, yun yung gusto nyo?
Yes,
One,
Mayor, we want
1 hour
we want to
English
visit
challenge. 1
Ariana
hour lang
Gonoy.
naman.
It's so very, very nice festival.
Chris, saan sa katang ano ko ha?
People there are so
Napuso na ko nga.
charming.
I'm not
and
feeling
they're so
well.
cute. Ang sarap.
Biglang- I'm not feeling
Yan.
well, Chris. I'm on my second day of period.
Yeah.
Mama, help.
Hi, Eva.
Ay, no. You
Where did
speak
you buy the
English.
croissant?
Yeah, Eva Leveteras, you message me in my messenger or my, yes.
Yes.
chat you later.
They order our app.
Oh,
So
they
you
order
message me messenger. My goodness, Chris. It's nice. I think I will stop na my live.
Oh my, can we stop this already?
I think you guys
This live?
sound good. You sound good.
I think I want to stop
Oh my
the live.
No, keep
Because
it going.
We don't need to-
They don't need to
use the,
hear
ano,
this.
the-
Guys, you don't need to hear this.
They love it. Look,
This
they
is
love it.
something
I'm
private.
praying.
We want this something private.
Ito tayo, Mayor.
Chris Lawrence.
You sound. I think you sound amazing.
Ay, amazing. Oh my God. Did I? Am I?
Ang mayor ng Lagoya.
Oh my
Sound
gosh.
fabulous.
Oh my
Where did you buy the
gosh.
croissant? It's across the
No,
street.
it's not croissant. It's croissant.
It's croissant.
Croissant.
Quoi? Quoi? Croissant.
Croissant.
Bonjour.
Oh my God.
Bonjour. Bonjour mo siya?
Merci.
Bonjour mo siya?
Merci.
Panganay mo siya?
Merci.
Bonjour mo siya?
Gracias.
Aya.
Gracias.
Gracias. Ay,
Espanyol naman.
Simasen. Kono, sabi mo naman ang
No,
kakuroso.
Japanese. No Japanese. Don't speak. No, don't speak Japanese.
Able to
We
speak
will-
English, so that's why she Japanese.
Chris Lawrence has... Oh, siya.
So loud, Mama Dog. Can you please
Guys, please help me.
lower your voice, please?
Chris Lawrence wants us
can you mute yourself?
speak
My
English
gosh,
only.
guys, you know what? I think I want
We
to
will
make
speak
this
English only.
session
Stop.
private because we don't want you to hear us.
I think they want to hear.
Ay,
Ah.
we shout
Oh, look,
out.
12.5.
Oh my gosh, I think I need a drink. Yeah.
I thought you need tissue.
No, not that drink.
Oh, what kind of
To
drink?
make it smooth.
Okay, I will
My
order.
tongue.
So you want to order mojito now?
Later.
Yes, Ella, it's
I think this is too early for mojito.
That's the...
So
Yeah.
the English will be
Red
ano,
Horse.
more.
them.
Red Horse.
Speak English, no
I might
Tagalog.
kick you because Red Horse says
Don't kick me
it's so
naman.
angtama, right?
So, ang tama.
It's so
Yes,
angtama.
he
Yeah,
will.
I might kick you
The tama is so hard.
on the face, on your face.
We will rock you.
Ay.
I think see you in the farm.
I think I want to rest because it's my second day of period and I'm not really feeling well
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Oh, but we're going to the palengke.
Want us to
You're going to the palengke.
speak English also in Palengke.
Oh, si Claude, nakayos.
Wow.
We will
Oh,
go
yeah.
market.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Going to the market after this and like I slept at 9 p.m. Stop it. Hmm? Hey, don't put your
I'm sorry.
because the sand might
Oh,
fall
you're
here in the
right.
croissant.
I am so sorry. Would
Yeah.
you guys like some fantastic croissant?
Would you like croissant? Would
Yes.
you call him?
Birds.
Hey.
Hands
So
up.
how's the croissant?
Very nice.
This is masala chai. You know what's masala chai?
Chris, strike 2. You said
They
goose.
they sala the chai so you can drink it so smooth.
Ako pa yung may strike.
So how was it?
It's so
Oh, alam ko yan. I know what
Yeah,
that is.
what's that?
That's giddy.
Is it? It's not giggle.
It's no giggle is like this. Giddy is the
Mama Dong, it's
They're
giddy.
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 No,
Are you guys having a good time
no,
there?
no, please. I can't be myself. I want to be myself. I want to speak Tagalog. It's not.
I think it's gonna be a good challenge. Palengke.
Better.
And you have to order in English.
Why? Why do you have to order? Why don't you order for us?
Because we're still in the English only challenge, so we should go to the Palengke so we can order in
Let's
English.
Yeah. Look,
Ear.
hey,
You better aid your ear.
Mama Dong.
They are so noisy. I will list down the noisy.
Wait, 50.
Is the market
15.2.
marketing today, Mama Dong?
I don't
Yes,
think
the
so.
market is marketing today.
We will go there.
We will go to the market today.
Yes, what? Oo nga eh.
We're gonna buy
Love you,
some
baby.
stuff because we're gonna have poodle fight
Love you,
later.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna prepare some food for us. Because we're not, I think
Let's go.
my brain is
Shall
low
we?
back. I think I'll see you later or I don't know, maybe tomorrow if
Mr. Bean,
the English
please.
only turn off.
Yeah.
I think she sounds good. Diba, guys?
Yeah, she sounds good, but
She's prepared.
She's prepared.
I'm not.
She's
my
prepared.
gosh. What are you guys trying to say?
oh my God.
I don't want to speak English. I am a Filipino. I'm proud Pinoy
Yeah, because we
of this trip.
Mr. B,
can.
what do you love the most about this trip?
Say hi, Yan Yan.
Hello,
If,
type English.
I know, because if we're
I
in a,
don't understand
if we're in a
you.
challenge, then you guys are kasama in the challenge
Of
also.
course. Don't
Kiss na lang sila sa
speak Tagalog.
Yes.
You two also sakit brain. Not only me.
Not only me, not
Not
us.
us. You guys.
You're part of the
join.
family.
You are part of the family.
Come on. Our breakfast was
Sour
the
soup.
sour sop.
Sour
We have sour sop for breakfast.
Hey, Chris.
Hey,
Someone there. Read it.
Chris is doing Taglish comments
Yeah.
sometimes. So,
Yeah.
You don't do
I'm
that
sorry.
to us.
We
With
punish
us.
you.
We spunk you.
No.
That's bad. This is your content. I don't like this.
Okay, guys, English
Yeah.
only.
They're diminishing the remnants.
One left.
Okay. Let's bring. Whoa, you got sand.
Cheers, table and chairs.
Oh my God.
Oh, enjoy Basher. Enjoy watching. I love you, Basher.
Yeah.
Where's the
We love
basher?
I don't know. I think that's your basher.
Oh, it's a basher.
Mark na. Thank you
Oh,
so
gosh.
much. Angelica nga.
Paki-block ko.
Hi.
Ito, panira.
I'm not the. That's your basher. I don't have basher. Wow.
Hi, Gemma.
Malamang ikaw yung baliw.
Me?
Malamang ikaw ang baliw. What's that?
Luisa Robert.
Like-
Bring
like-
You
Chris
are
back
crazy.
to Sacramento.
You are.
Who?
From USA. Block the bashers because the basher is very, very nice.
Yeah, because the basher will just make another fake account.
The basher will make what do you call that?
Dummy.
Dummy and then
Yeah, they're just gonna make a dummy
yes.
account, a fake account. Don't die.
yeah. They
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Mama. Hello, everyone. Mama.
Yep.
Sabay na ako sa inyo. Hindi na. Kay Uncle.
Okay, uncle na po.
Paano yung classmate ko? 12 nandito na.
You want us to hug your classmate?
Yes.
Hey, why do you have bubbles on your lip?
Dito lang kami hanggang 12.
Oo, kasi diba
Okay.
the classmate is doing hugging.
Okay, so that means
Okay.
30 more minutes of the English challenge.
Okay, Katie.
Tell Uncle na sabay ako.
Kuya.
I'll ask Mommy Ken. Chris, do you have plan to go concert
You
in
tell.
Canada?
You tell.
Yes.
2026?
Kuya, you tell.
Yes. July 9?
Bring
July
Katie.
9.
Yes,
Mommy
kuya.
Ken. July 9 he'll be in
Ay,
Canada.
English.
Am I doing?
Ay, ba't dito pa ako hanggang 12?
Don't let me
You want to stay here until 12?
say a lot. It's too much, Katie.
Mommy Ken.
That's
Wait lang, picture
right.
ko muna kayo. Bago siya umalis.
And
Tawag.
Ano?
I will bring
Case
Katie's bomb.
sa packet.
Yeah,
Katie,
he will bring Katie's bomb
Say mo
down
na,
then
wait,
buy.
Maria.
I'm gonna take a video. Smile.
Katie, 1, 2,
Picture and video,
You
of
hug
course.
your mama lang and papa. You hug your mama and papa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So enjoy guys.
1, 2.
Oh, yes, we will.
Thank you.
Thank
I will
you.
end
Love you.
this
See you
live.
later.
Bye, Katie.
So, I will not delete this ha. Bye-bye.
Happy team.
I have to go there na.
Go there.
Bye-bye. You bye-bye to my live.
With the D?
Bye-bye.
Bye, live.
Bye to my live. Okay. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much, Catrans Global.
Katie wants us to stay because she wants us to hug her classmates, to meet her classmates. San Francisco. Hey.
Ah, wow. Lumipat na
Congrats,
sa inyo.
guys.
Yung 15K ko nandyan na. Nasaan ka ba? Kailan ka dumating? College, eh.
What if the great beach?
I don't understand you.
Mama security.
Where?
Whistles already.
Where there? No, there.
Yes. I heard some whistle.
So, hintay pa natin.
There was 2 cars, I think. I think Kuya Ian had his other car.
Yes. You got it.
Look, we're bunnies.
So,
So by the time we get home, gising na siya.
don't do that to me. Stop.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
See, I told you guys, my English will
Sandal to pop.
No, Basher will come again. Another day. And be mad again. And bash again. Yeah.
But
Basher is waiting there.
I don't-
can see. There.
I don't think bashers are bad. I think bashers
I
are
think
good.
Basher knows you.
You think?
Hi, Basher. Thanks for watching anyways.
June 27 ba?
All the time there.
Yes.
Why is my English not Englishing?
They're gonna stick together like
Yeah.
this stick.
Little Eddie.
Yes. Can we hear statue from you?
I'm like a statue. Start staring right at you.
Can you finish the song?
I don't know the rest of the words.
Can you sing 5 songs?
5 songs where?
So I can rest my English.
I think they want to hear your English.
I,
English better.
you sang song very well.
Oh, what?
You sang song. You sang song very well, huh?
Sang song.
Fans,
Oh, look at the plane.
under the plane. The plane is blue. That's my big plane.
Oh, hello everyone. Thanks for watching.
Wow. Ano pa, guys?
I can't think of words. There, the restroom is there. Go there. Straight ahead and then turn left. Or need to wait.
We need
for
to wait
Katie's
12.
classmate.
Yeah.
Like,
How you contact?
already. I'll check my phone when it's 12.
Yeah.
Go to the bathroom. There, it's there. Just straight here. This way.
I'm still cooking it.
You're gonna make
I'm
poop?
still,
Are you gonna make poop?
I'm still cooking.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're gonna make poop?
Something like that.
Oh my god.
Something like that.
The dress.
Because she's wet.
Because she's wet, she showered.
But he had a good time though. Didn't you guys have a good time with the English challenge?
Yes.
Are you guys having fun? Karaoke. Having fun?
We tell the bashers, enjoy watching. Yeah.
I think they did because they have 10 stars, you have 44, you have...
No way. We're not.
Press 1 if you guys liked it.
Yes, mommy.
Press 1 if you guys want a no cell phone challenge.
Okay lang daw po. We have naman here.
Your face, look at this face.
We have here. Have here.
Want
I will
Nothing.
Want to what?
Is mommy preparing the money? Are you sending to you?
No.
Need to stretch.
Oh, your legs are
You need to put
in pain?
bomb.
I'm gonna put bomb.
Spray.
I think I need to stretch.
Hey,
See, mommy.
Yes.
It's getting numb.
Yeah.
Oh.
His feet getting there.
you put
Oh, yeah,
Katie's
she's
bomb.
already in the US. So.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
When I'm speaking English. And I need to put distance, you know.
I think she's funny.
Yeah, so you'll find me cute. So I'll attract you. So I don't like that. Oh my gosh. Please.
May naghahanap yung mga mataba.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
Picture daw ng swap.
Kaya nga. Oo. Can I just see?
Yeah.
Ma'am, ako lang po.
Sure, Kuya.
Okay lang po daw na nakauwi.
Okay lang po.
Ano lang kami?
Okay, Kuya.
Ganda po ng outfit.
Mama, ang laki mo. Yeah. The picture then.
Closer yan.
Closer to. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, ano? Si idol siya ng asawa ko.
Ay. Go, Kuya.
Thank you po.
Salamat.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Salamat po si ma'am.
Chris and to wait for her classmate. Miss B, can you help Mr. B put Katie's bomb on his legs? No.
Okay,
That's too much.
Alin daw?
I'm gonna put Katie's bomb on Mr. B's legs. I think that's too much, guys.
Why?
You're asking too much from me.
It's not 18.
Just here.
Miss B, ikaw naman maglagay.
Can I?
Who's that? Ito eh. Ay, nakarelax din. Napagod ako. Te, punta na tayo palengke. Iniisang ko nga siya, pinapakad daw kanina para manahimik ako eh. Di ba? Naka-monitor sa live si Mr. Bangkat sa CR. Oh my gosh.
Mama Dong, oh.
Naka-monitor siya. Kahit sa CR.
Yeah, watching. Naka-monitor siya watching. Guys, you follow my account, ha?
Tell anyone, my gosh. Bye. We love you.
We love you, mga guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. I love you.
We live
We love
again,
you.
hopefully.
Have a
We
good,
love you.
have a-
Thank you so much. I hope you
have a
enjoy our
good
live.
Friday.
Friday, everyone.
Have a good